Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. What's this? Whoa, look at that. Got some new shirts. So I wanted to show you the bird mansion. We finally got it all put together here. We got the bottom cage there. Originally these were dog cages for when we had to take the dogs to get them fixed. Man, they're loud. So they got the bottom cage here attached to this top cage. We got a large cutout there, you see. And then I got the mansion. They haven't actually gone in there yet. I put some of that coconut fiber stuff in there. AI said put a little bit in the house, in the bedrooms, and then put some in the cage so that they can tear it apart and build their nests. So that's what I did. What the heck is that all about? So these are our miniature parrots. Yeah, so this is the final birdhouse. I got this door in the back. Got a little window there so we can see in. Got it separated into 4 bedrooms. Yeah, so that's that. Let's check on the chickens real quick, see how they're doing. They've been laying eggs like crazy. My wife, originally we were gonna try to get these chickens to, what's that called? Roost. Sit on the eggs. It ain't happening yet. They're too young. And then I gave my wife four of the eggs. She cracked the first one, double yolk. Second one, double yolk. Third, fourth, double yolks. So I don't really understand why they're all double yolks. My understanding is they will not hatch if they're double yolks. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. There's Princess. We got Pigpen under there. There's old Pigpen. And then Foghorn Leghorn. I don't have a name for the other 2 yet. Or other one. Yeah, the other one. So that's Princess. What do you guys think? What should I name her? Snow White? That's a good name. Snow White, Princess, Pigpen, Foghorn. See, there's eggs in there. Eggs are really small also. We did eat some, but like I said, they got double yolks. All right, guys, I think that is it. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's been going on. And check these flowers out. You know, when we planted these flowers, they were about that big. Look at them now. They're huge. They got huge stalks on them, almost like trees. You see it down in there? Really nice. Really nice flowers. Yeah, where I put that chicken shit mix, it really boosted the flowers with that nitrogen. I'm gonna make some more of that. I gotta get my brother-in-law to climb under there and get me a bucket of that chicken shit so I can mix. But, all right guys, well, that is it. Just a little update. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.